Hello everybody! Bad drivers can make traffic more dangerous than ever.
Truck and car accidents can happen all the time, which no one can foresee. We come to stupid driving situations. You are seeing a truck struggling to get out of the muddy end on this riverside. This truck has a pretty good spin. Out of control, the tractor crashes into the parked vehicle in front. A lot of debris was caused from these scattered cars, though luckily no one was injured. This bad driver got his car fixed again. Learning how to drive a new truck makes it fun for the other road users, doesn't it? This driver did not control the car very well when he approached and destroyed the divider. The road is really wide to begin with, but the driver has rushed through the barrier to the opposite side of the road. As a result, the truck was hit and completely lost the back carrier. This truck has had a problem when pouring all the rocks. A lot of new cars are transported. This driver should not make any small mistakes. An old car that needs a violent fix. This car's got to be out of date. The truck is carrying a bulky load up the hill. It is not fastened enough, and it made his job complicated. Experience the feeling of flipping the car. It's somewhat risky. Bad handling of this driver. Leave the car and fix the wheel, or call for help. Tired of trucks looking for a place to rest in the middle of the road? Here's good. This tornado has destroyed everything it passes, even the semi-truck. For trucks that are not regularly serviced and checked, when you're moving on the road, a wheel can simply fall off, and it is very dangerous. When you're in the truck and you're moving without observation, if you crash into the road barrier, the construction materials are going to fall everywhere. This construction site without a bulldozer, it's going down. But it's not as usual as it should. This weak car is assembled like a model and had a slight problem. It's just falling apart. The process of moving this damaged vehicle is going surprisingly well. This truck was in a serious accident, but both cars on the road had problems and survived. So when changing lanes, looks like this truck realized there was a problem. He stopped, and there was obviously not enough space for both cars to get through. If you are a driver with good performance skills, just show it off for everyone to see. The many times this truck has failed, it's going up the steep slope, and it looks like it's difficult for the car to get up. This could be a challenge, or maybe there's something good up there, I don't know. This is a ski car failure. The rear end caused a serious damage to this car. Dents, snow, and ice will make it very difficult to move about. The brakes can't resist on this slippery slope. Oh, why, son? Why would you jump in front of the truck like that? That is not pleasant. That's an unusual way to find a parking spot. Whether it succeeds or fails, this performance is just eye-catching. The price for the truck driver's carelessness is a large sum of money. High-speed driving on a rainy weather day, subject to accident. This is not like an action movie, when the car is just trying to get through obstacles. A careless overtaking, costing you lots of money. The red light, the car hitting the opposite side intentionally, and the accident is serious with lots of consequences. Why is it so hard to understand the gap is small and the driver still pulls through like that? Speed limits are a no-no for this driver. The two cars are close to each other, they get split. Thank you everyone for your interest in our videos. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell. You will receive the earliest and newest videos. Thank you and goodbye.